Hello there, Earthlings. It's world famous Vimana man to see you guys. Yes, that's right. Look at this. Father Christmas come all the way from Lapland to see you guys. Or should I say the North Pole? Yes, that's right. It's that time of year and it's Christmas. Yes, time for celebration. Yes, you all guys can have some nice celebrations to go. Yes, it's all about being together and enjoying yourself, having a party. Yes, that's right. So, the Vimana man has come straight from Vimana to see you guys. The year's 2020 and hope you well and fighting fit. What a year it's been, 2020. What a year it's been. I know it's not been fantastic, but let's face it, the Vimana man's here to save you once again. Yes, that's right. Anyway, so today I've come up with a Christmas special for that time of year. It's coming to the end. We are going to make, yes, that's right, we're going to make another fantastic recipe. And let's get the Orgran oven and see what we're going to make. So we got the Orgran oven and see what's going to be on the recipe today. The Christmas special recipe. Yes, that's right. Today we're going to make vegetarian French toast. Look at that nice wonderful Christmas tree there. Bling bling. Yes, that's right. So, like I said, we're going to make vegetarian French toast. So let's give you a bit of history about French toast. French toast existed as early as the Roman Empire in their style called pan de Lucius. Romans would soak bread and milk and egg mixture, then fry them in oil. The name French toast was first used in the 17th century in England. In France, the dish is called pain perdu, meaning lost bread. Yes, that's right. What a lost bread it's been. But I'm here in the 2020 to bring back the lost bread. Yes, that's right. We're going to bring back the French toast because what better way to start Christmas morning with some French toast as well, with all your family members and everybody can tuck in as well. So let's point out the ingredients now. Welcome back, Earthlings. It's world famous Vimana man to see you again. So today we're going to be pointing out the ingredients. As you know, the Vimana man is vegetarian, so I'm going to use a vegetarian mixture in the replacement of egg. But if you're non-vegetarian, you can use egg to make this wonderful French omelette toast that we're going to make. So anyway, so what we're going to need first is we're going to need a food processor. If you haven't got a food processor, you can actually use a bowl and just mix it by hand. But as you know, Vimana man, it's all about speed. Making speed work for you because it works for me. Then you're also going to need a bowl like this as well. Yeah, we're going to be using a bowl like this to put all the ingredients in there. And once it's all been blended, we'll put it in there and dip the bread as well. Yes, that's right. So now, this is the main ingredient. This is a company called Orgran Vegan Egg. Yes, that's right. So basically, it looks like a packet like this. It's a yellowish flour. It looks a bit like corn flour, but it's probably got some vegetarian things in there to make it nice, taste like an egg. But anyway, so that's the main ingredient. We're going to use that as well. So what we're going to need with that, we're going to need 50 grams of this Orgran Vegan Egg. Yeah, that's what this product's called. You can even get that online. You can even go to a health shop and I'm sure they can supply with you that as well. Yes, that's right. Then we're also going to need some water here. We're going to need 240 milliliters of water. Yep, so make sure you got some water. You can add a little bit more or less, it's up to you. Then we also going to need 1 onion. We also going to need some pepper to suit your taste. So I'm going to be grinding up the peppercorns in there. Then we also going to need some curry powder there. 1 teaspoon of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of jeera powder, we're going to need 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and to suit your taste, you're going to need some cheese as well. If you don't want to use cheese, up to you. But I like cheese. I'm going to put some cheese in my French toast. Then the famous ginger garlic cube here. You can microwave that for a few seconds. And like I said, the Vimana, man, it's all about speed. Then you're also going to need some bread. You can either use white bread, brown bread, whatever to you. But this is seeded bread as well. So these bread will be actually dipped into the mixture once it's been blended through. Then you're also going to you need some coriander leaves as well. Yeah, I'll be taking out all the stems there and just put them in the mixture as well. So basically, this is a mixture to make vegan, vegetarian French toast. So let's get cracking and start making this wonderful recipe. Here goes, jingle bells. Welcome back, Earthlings. You thought I forgot. Yes, that's right. World famous Vimana man's famous saying is, wash your dirty hands. Yes, that's right. Wash them dirty hands. In 2020, you've been washing your hands. Yes, that's right. You wash your dirty hands right through the nails as well. In between. Yes, that's right. Because when people eating your food, nobody wants any dirtiness. So make sure you wash your hands nice and thoroughly. So anyway, that's done as well. And I've actually cut up the onions as well, shredded them all up, and we're going to put all the onions in there along with all the rest of the ingredients are in there now. So yes, right. Now we're going to put the lid on as well now, and we're going to blend this all through and make a nice mixture. So here goes. Yep, number 1 speed here. Then we're going to put it to number 2 speed. Yes, right. I'm doing the centrifugal forces going clockwise. Yes, right. Look at that fantastic mixture. And we're going to still make it, and we're going to blend it again. And once it's blended, we'll show you in due course. And we'll start frying away and dip the bread as well. So don't go away. Welcome back, Earthlings. So as you know, I've just started frying right now as well. Yes, that's right. I've heated it up and started frying as well. Yes, right. I normally would turn the extractor, but as you know, the Vimana man's kitchen is on work in progress. Yes, right. Work in progress. Look at this fantastic Smeg Portofino range cooker. Yes, right. Look nice and yellow vibrant. Yes, right. Sunny days are here at the Vimana man's kitchen. Yes, as you can see, it's frying away just fantastic. Yes, right. Just making sure the oil goes underneath it as well. And yep, he's cooking away, and he's cooking away, frying away, as they say. Yes, right. If you find it a bit difficult to hold it with one, you can always get another little spatula like this to make it a bit easier. I've got one of these big little spatulas right now, because I'm going to flick it around as well. So basically turn it around like that and flick it around like that. Yes, right. Yep, it's got to go nice and brown as well. Yeah, give it a good press like that. Wow, if only you can just smell this right now. Smells just Vimana deliciousness smell. Yes, right. It's just smelling wonderful for Christmas. Yes, right. Jingle bells, jingle bells. What a fantastic French toast this is vegetarian. Look at that nice sizzling. Yes, look at that nice cooking there going right now. And we're going to give it another turn as well. Yeah, give it another turn and turn it away. Yeah, we've got to make it nice and brownish colour. And I'll be back in due course when this frying process is done. Might take a good 5 minutes, but I'll be back in due course for the taste-off verdict. Yes, right. We're going to give the Vimana deliciousness verdict. So don't go away. Welcome back, Earthlings. Look at that. French toast vegetarian as we speak. Yeah, it's piping hot as well, and a lot of steam is still coming up. Look at that fantastic colour coordination in there. Yeah, you can see the coriander leaves in there. And there's some cheese as well. And also it's all been binded up with all the fantastic curry spices that we put in there as well. And I'll just get a little knife there, and I've cut it through as a triangle, and you can see the mixture in between as well. Yes, yes, right. This is gonna fire up your taste buds when you taste this as well. Yes, yes, right. Christmas won't be the same after you've eaten this, because you want to eat this every time throughout the year. So anyway, now is the time of Vimana Man's verdict. Taste off, as they say. So here goes. And I've also got some tomato ketchup as well to actually taste it. Taste it with a bit of tomato ketchup. You can use any type of relish you want, depending on your taste. But anyway, so this is some tomato ketchup. I'm going to put this through my mouth now. In my mouth. Mmm. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Through my tongue. I can taste the Orgran mixture. I can taste the cheese. I can taste the curry powder. I can taste the turmeric powder, the coriander leaves, and the onions as well, going right through my teeth. And also, it tastes just fantastic. Yes, that's right. And you know what? I'm gonna have some more, because I can. Here goes. Now, this is just absolutely wonderful. Oh, wow. This is just unbelievable. Mmm. Mmm. Well, as you know, it didn't take the Vimana Man too long to make. Christmas goblet. So what that means, if the Vimana Man can make this, you lazy earthlings can make this as well. Yes, yes, right. Let's add a bit of sparkle for your Christmas celebrations, for the rest of the family, and make it really vibrant. Yes, yes, right. They will all love this special mixture here, vegetarian. Like I said, you can still leave it with egg if you want, non-veg, and you can still use this mixture as well. But anyway, I must go now, and I must say to you guys, keep hanging there. It's all going to get better. Yes, yes, right. It's going to get better for you guys as well. And enjoy yourself. Help your elderly family members as well. Say hello to them. Give them a phone call as well. Go and visit them through the WhatsApp if you want, or any sort of social media connection you can do. And also, enjoy your Christmas. And be good. Yes, yes, right. Help each other as you can, as much as you can. But yes, yes, right. It's that time of year now, time of day now, to get on your party shoes on and do some dancing. Yes, yes, right. But before I go away, make sure you subscribe to my channel, Vimana Man, on the YouTube, and Vimana Man on Instagram as well. Yes, yes, right. Keep up to date. And I'd like to say to my subscribers, a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Because you've all been watching me, so I can say to you guys, wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to you guys and your family as well. So anyway, I must go now and get on to dancing. And I'm going to be taking all this lot back up to Vimana, because it's an emergency. When it's an emergency, I have to go back. And I'll be taking this all back up to Christmas. And we're going to be singing Christmas carols. Yes, yes, right. I'm going to be singing some Christmas carols with my vegetarian French toast and have a party. Yes, yes, right. But anyway, be good, and I'll see you soon. And let's do some dancing. Merry Christmas. See you later, everybody. I'll see you 2021. Bang!